So Ulanzi has this little cube light that really packs a punch. So let me tell you all about them. By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black, and this is a short, not short product review. Straight to the point and no fluff. This is the Ulanzi L2 RGB COB video light. And in the box, you get the instructions, the cube light with a silicone diffuser, also a magnetic 4-page shading plate or barn doors, a magnetic honeycomb diffuser mesh, a magnetic circular condenser cup or spotlight mode. It's shaped like a cube, it's very small, but it gives you every color on the spectrum and 11 dynamic lighting effects. And you can navigate through it all with these buttons on the top and this OLED HD display. There is a 1/4-inch screw hole on the bottom, and it comes with a cold shoe adapter so you can put it on top of a camera or other cold shoe mounts. It has a rechargeable built-in 800 milliamp hour lithium battery, and these things are great because they have magnetic backs so you can pop them on anything metal, and it just gives you some really cool ambient lighting and background lighting for your videos. Or it even adds good decorations if you're throwing a party. And I've been working with Ulanzi for a very long time, and everything they make is really good quality. They're really cool, I really like them, and you should check them out because they come in under $40. And do also check the link for the latest price because you never know, it might be on sale when you're watching this. But that's it for today. Thanks for watching another short, not short product review. Don't be a stranger to the channel, and I'll see you next time.
Mr. Black.